Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how I built an affiliate marketing website that earns over $1,500 a month. And guess what? You can do it too. No fluff, no gimmicks, just real, actionable strategies that work. Before we dive in, let's talk about web hosting. You'll need a reliable, fast host to make this work. I've partnered with Hostinger to get you a 20% discount on their already affordable offers. Check the link in the description. It's the hosting I use for my successful sites. Trust me, it's worth it. Hostinger offers one-click WordPress installation, 24/7 support, and blazing fast load times. All crucial for your affiliate success. All right, let's dive in. Affiliate marketing is like being a digital matchmaker. You introduce people to products they'll love, and when they buy, you get a commission. It's a win-win-win for you, the customer, and the product owner. The beauty of this model is its scalability. Once you've created content, it can generate commissions while you sleep. Now, choosing your niche is crucial. You need to find that sweet spot between what you're passionate about, what people are searching for, and what's not overly competitive. Think about what you know and love. Maybe it's home office gear, pet supplies, or eco-friendly products. Use tools like Google Trends to verify demand. But don't stop there. Dive into keyword research using tools like Mangles. Look for keywords with decent search volume, at least 1,000 monthly searches, but low competition scores. Once you've got your niche, it's time to set up your website. Choose a domain name that's catchy and niche relevant. Something like fitsupplementguru.com works well. Install WordPress. It's user-friendly and powerful. Then, add essential plugins. Rank Math is a must for on-page optimization. It'll guide you in optimizing your content for search engines. WP Rocket is fantastic for speed optimization. Remember, your site is your storefront. Make it look professional. Use a clean, easy-to-navigate layout with a clear value proposition on your homepage. Now, here's where the magic happens: creating high-quality content. This is what separates the $1,500 per month earners from the $15 per month dreamers. Focus on in-depth product reviews, honest comparisons, and helpful how-to guides. For reviews, actually use the products if possible. Discuss the pros and cons, who it's best for, and include your personal experience. For comparisons, create detailed tables showing features side by side. And how-to guides include step-by-step instructions with images or videos. Use your personal experience with products. That authenticity is gold. Readers trust real, balanced opinions. Don't just regurgitate product descriptions. Offer unique insights. For example, if you're reviewing a protein powder, mix it with different liquids, test it in recipes, and report on taste, mixability, and effectiveness over time. Quality pays off big time. When it comes to joining affiliate programs, start with the big names like Amazon Associates or ShareASale. They're easier to get into when you're starting out. But don't stop there. Look for niche-specific programs too. In the fitness niche, for example, when applying, have at least 5 to 10 high-quality posts on your site, and be prepared to explain your promotion strategies. Here's a pro tip. I've made a video on the 7 best affiliate programs for beginners. Check it out in the description. It'll save you hours of research. Traffic is the lifeblood of your affiliate site. Focus on SEO by targeting long-tail keywords. They're easier to rank for. Instead of just best protein powder, try best vegan protein powder for weight loss. Build quality backlinks through guest posting and networking with other bloggers in your niche. Reach out to them, offer value, and build relationships before asking for links. Don't neglect social media and email marketing. They're powerful tools for building a loyal audience. On social media, share snippets of your content with eye-catching graphics. Use tools like Canva to create professional-looking images. For email marketing, offer a lead magnet, maybe a free ebook or exclusive discount code to build your list. Then, nurture your subscribers with valuable content and occasional promotions. Now, let's talk about converting that traffic into commissions. Use clear, compelling calls to action. I once changed my CTA from a boring "buy now" to a "get your 50% discount." Clicks increased by 20% overnight. Place your CTAs strategically above the fold within the content and at the end of your posts. Add trust elements like user reviews and money-back guarantee badges. Use product comparison tables with clear check price buttons for each item. Always test different layouts and CTAs. Use heat map tools like Hotjar to see where users are clicking and scrolling. A/B test your headlines, button colors, and product images. Even small changes can lead to big improvements in conversion rates. Remember, success in affiliate marketing doesn't happen overnight. It took me months of hard work, learning, and persistence to reach my first $1,000 in affiliate revenue. But with the strategies we've covered today, you're well equipped to make it happen faster. Stay consistent, keep learning, and don't be afraid to pivot if something's not working. Imagine waking up to affiliate commissions instead of an alarm clock. It's not just a dream, it's a real possibility. And now you know how to turn that possibility into reality. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more actionable affiliate marketing tips. And remember, your journey to financial freedom starts with a solid foundation. So use that hosting link in the description for 20% off your web hosting. It's the same hosting that powers my money-making sites. Also, I've included all of the resources I mentioned in this video in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.